So real life situation using my iPhone 13 Pro. Using cinematic mode, iPhone 13. Oh very nice. Wow. So real life situation using my iPhone 13 Pro. Yan. So andito ngayon ako sa Pasay, guys. So hi guys, I'm still using my iPhone 13 Pro. Ayan, so we're here in MOA. Grabe yung bikers dito, ang dami. So there's a lot of bikers here. Iba-iba. Real life situation with the iPhone 13 Pro, guys. Alright. Yeah. Mas maganda yung ano niya ngayon compared sa 12 Pro. Ayan. Lalong lalo na kung maraming light. Stay safe pa rin. Because may pandemic pa rin, guys. Let's go! So I'm using the 0.5, guys. Yeah. I'm using the wide lens. Ganda ng dynamic range niya, guys. Ayun. So real life situation using iPhone Pro 13. Alright guys, so we are here in the famous RIZAL Park in Manila. And I'm still using my iPhone 13 Pro. So always stay safe, wear your mask. Ayan, so pandemic pa rin po. Ayan, so dito pa rin kami. Ayan. Using the normal lens. Ayan. This is the zoom lens.
Kuya, huwag ka lang magalit. Kayo lang ako pagkain.
Zoom lens, wide lens. Ayan.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So andito pa rin kami sa sa Manila. Ito si Aizen. Batang bata. Galing ha? Real life situation with the iPhone 13 Pro. Alright, with the wide lens, guys. Let's go! Thank you.